Welcome to another pre-algebra video from ultimatealgebra.com. In this video, we'll be looking at mixed fractions and improper fractions. A mixed fraction is a whole number and a fraction combined. Example, 2 whole number 3/4. So the 2 is the whole number part and this is the fraction part. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Example, 6/7. Here you will see that the numerator 6 is less than the denominator 7. Therefore, an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, 11/4. Here you will see that the numerator 11 is greater than the denominator 4. It is important to learn to convert from mixed fractions to improper fractions and vice versa. The value of this mixed fraction is actually the same as this improper fraction. Let's look at how to do it. Converting mixed fraction to improper fractions. Let's say we are to convert 2 whole number 3/4 to improper fraction. The process is pretty straightforward. Multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator. So here we will multiply 4 and 2 to get 8, and then add the 3. This will give us 11. This will be over the original denominator, which is 4. So notice this is the same. Let's take another example. We look at 5 whole number 2/5. To solve, we will multiply the 5 by the 5 to get 25, and then add the 2 to get 27. This will be over the original denominator 5. Converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. To convert improper fraction to mixed fractions, all you will have to remember is long division, which we did in lesson 3. Please revise it if you have forgotten. We will not go over it here. Let's say you have to change 23/5 into mixed fraction. We will do our long division, the 5 here and 23 here. We divide the 23 by 5 to get 4 as our quotient. Work it out and get 3 as our remainder. Here all we do is write the quotient as the whole number and the remainder as the numerator. So we have 3 here. This is over the original denominator, which was 5. Please, if you don't understand this, you have to revise lesson 3. Let's move on. Operations on improper fractions. Since improper fractions are just like proper fractions, all operations are performed in the exact way as improper fraction. So, you will have 22/3 plus 5/2. In the same way, you will add 3/7 plus 2/9. Let's actually solve it. Using the cross multiplication method, we multiply the denominators to get 6. Now we will cross multiply. Multiply the 22 by 2 to get 44. We multiply the 3 by 5 to get 15. We add 44 plus 15 to get 59/6. Nothing special here. Operations on mixed fractions. Since mixed fractions can be converted to improper fractions, you can always convert it first. After that, you can just work on it like how we worked on fractions. Example, if you are to multiply the mixed fractions 2 whole number 1/2 and 3 whole number 2/3, you can convert it to improper fractions. We have 5/2 by 11/3. This can now be multiplied just as we have been doing. 5 by 11 will give us 55. over 2 by 3 will give us 6. Again, this method can be used for all operations involving mixed fractions, but for addition and subtractions, this is not the only way to solve it. You can decide not to convert it to improper fractions. We will look at that in the next lesson. Please practice the back and forth converting between improper fractions and mixed fractions. We will end this video here and look at addition and subtractions of mixed fractions in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Encourage us to post more videos by liking and sharing. Also visit ultimatealgebra.com for more exclusive videos and get our free course that will help you build a strong math foundation and pass your next test easily.